Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to make money online, selling digital products. Now, if you've ever thought about creating something once and selling it over and over again, whether it's an ebook, an online course, a template, a printable, or even software, then you're going to want to stick around. Because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to sell digital products online step by step. We'll cover everything from choosing the right product, setting it up for sale, finding customers, and scaling your income. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn your ideas into passive income streams. So grab a notebook, hit that like button if you're ready, and let's get into it. Let's start with the big question. Why digital products? Unlike physical products, digital products don't require inventory, shipping, or worrying about damaged returns. Once you create it, you can sell it an unlimited number of times with virtually no extra cost. Here are some of the biggest benefits. High profit margins. If you sell a $20 ebook, most of that $20 is profit after platform fees. Scalability. You can sell to 10 people or 10,000 people without extra work. Flexibility. You can create products that fit your skills, like guides, templates, or even digital art automation. Once set up, the entire process, from checkout to delivery, can run without you lifting a finger. That's why people call digital products the ultimate passive income stream. But don't get me wrong, it does take work up front. You need to create something valuable and know how to market it. So let's break down the steps. Step one is choosing what to sell. This is where most beginners get stuck because there are so many options. Here are some of the most popular digital products, ebooks and guides, perfect if you have knowledge in a specific area. For example, how to start a freelance business. Online courses and workshops. If you can teach something, courses are extremely profitable. Printables and templates, things like budgeting spreadsheets, resumes, Canva templates, or planners. Digital art and graphics. Wallpapers, stock photos, icons, or design packs, music and audio, beats, sound effects, or meditation tracks, software and apps, tools, plugins, or SaaS platforms if you're more tech savvy. Now, how do you decide which one is right for you? Ask yourself, what skills or knowledge do I already have? What problems can I solve for people? Is there a demand for this? For example, let's say you're great at organization. You could create digital planners. Or if you're a social media manager, you could make Canva templates for Instagram posts. And here's a quick tip. Niche down. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Instead of fitness ebooks, try fitness ebooks for busy moms or workout plans for remote workers. The more specific you get, the easier it is to find your audience. Before you create your product, you need to make sure people actually want it. Here's how you validate your idea. Search online marketplaces. Look at Etsy, Gumroad, Udemy, or Amazon Kindle. Are people already buying similar products? That's a good sign. Check forums and social media. See what people are asking about in Facebook groups, Reddit, or Quora. Keyword research. Use free tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to see what people are searching for, pre-sell or ask. You can even post on social media. Hey, would anyone be interested if I made a template, guide, or course? If people respond positively, you've got validation. Think of it this way. Don't spend months creating something only to find out no one wants it. A few hours of research can save you a ton of time. Once your idea is validated, it's time to create the product. This is where you deliver the value. Here are some tips for creating different types of products. Ebooks and guides. Use tools like Google Docs or Canva to write and design. Keep it visually appealing and easy to follow. Courses, record using tools like Loom, ScreenFlow, or even Zoom. Keep lessons short, 5 to 10 minutes max. People prefer bite-sized content. Templates and printables. Canva is your best friend here. Design something professional but customizable. Digital art, Photoshop, Procreate, or Illustrator are go-to tools. Bundle your work to add value. A big mistake beginners make is thinking their product has to be huge. That's not true. What matters most is that it solves a specific problem. For example, instead of a 300-page ebook, you could create a 20-page guide that helps freelancers write better proposals. Short, sweet, and valuable. Okay, now you've got your product. How do you actually sell it? Here are the best platforms. Etsy. Great for printables, planners, and creative products. Gumroad. Super beginner friendly, lets you sell ebooks, courses, art, and more. Shopify. If you want your own branded store. Payhip or Sendowl. Easy digital delivery systems. Udemy or Skillshare. Perfect for courses if you want built-in audiences. If you're just starting out, I recommend Gumroad or Etsy. They're simple, require no tech skills, and handle delivery automatically. Here's what you'll need to set up. Product page includes title, description, images, and price. Delivery system. Most platforms send files automatically after purchase. Payment processor, Stripe, or PayPal are standard. And let's talk about pricing. A common mistake is undercharging. If your ebook is packed with value, don't sell it for $2. Price it at $15, $20, or even $50 depending on the problem it solves. Remember, people don't pay for the number of pages or hours of content, they pay for results. This is the most important part, getting customers. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you won't make sales. Here are proven strategies. 1. Content marketing. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or TikTok account. Create content related to your product's niche. At the end of your videos, recommend your product. Example, if you sell budgeting spreadsheets, make videos about money-saving tips. Second, social media. Use Instagram, Pinterest, or Twitter to share value and direct people to your product. Pinterest is especially powerful for digital products like printables and templates. Third, email marketing. Build an email list. Offer a freebie, like a mini guide or template, in exchange for email signups, then promote your product through emails. Fourth, partnerships and affiliates. Team up with influencers or other creators who can promote your product for a commission. Paid ads. If you've got some budget, run Facebook or Instagram ads to test your product. The key here is consistency. Don't just post once and expect sales. Show up regularly, give value, and remind people about your product. Once you start making sales, you'll want to automate as much as possible. Here's how. Use platforms like Gumroad or PayHip that deliver files instantly. Connect email marketing tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp for automated follow-ups. Use Canva templates or design tools to speed up content creation. The goal is to set it up once and let it run while you focus on creating more products or just enjoying the freedom. How do you take this from a side hustle to a full-time income? Create multiple products. Don't rely on just one. A shop with 10 products will always sell more than one with just a single ebook. Bundle products. Offer packages or tiered pricing. For example, sell a single template for $15 or a bundle of 10 for $97. Upsells and cross-sells. After someone buys your ebook, offer them your video course at a discount. Build a brand. Over time, you want people to recognize you as the go-to in your niche. Remember, this isn't about overnight success, but if you keep creating and marketing, your digital product income can grow into something truly life-changing. Let me save you some headaches. Here are mistakes to avoid. Not validating your idea. Always check demand first. Overcomplicating your product. Start simple. Underpricing. Charge what your product is worth. Ignoring marketing. Creating the product is only half the work. Promoting it is the other half. Giving up too soon. Sales can be slow at first. Stick with it. All right, let's recap. Selling digital products online is one of the best ways to create passive income. The steps are: choose your product, validate your idea, create the product, set up your store, market it consistently, automate and scale. If you follow this roadmap, you'll be well on your way to building a profitable digital product business. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of digital product are you thinking about creating? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more online business tips, and share this with a friend who needs to see it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.